It's another bright and sunny day.
Ready?
The vehicles are busy driving through the tunnel. The red light turns on, and the cement mixer stops safely.
Yeah, let's go! Oh my god!
But Tractor can't wait. Zoom! It rushes into the tunnel.
Dump truck.
Oh my god! Hey!
Oh no! It crashes into dump truck. Tractor flips over and dump truck's cargo spills everywhere.
Mixer truck.
Happened?
Cement mixer, quick! Call the rescue team.
Police car.
Hello. Let's go!
Clamshell buckets.
Come here.
Flatbed truck.
Amazing! Hey!
Police car arrives fast, directing traffic and clearing the road.
Let's go! Hey! Hello! Okay. It's so nice!
Clamshell-Excavator carefully lifts the broken tractor onto the tow truck
It's my time!
and picks up all the spilled cargo back into dump truck.
Okay, let's go!
Now, it's time to fix tractor.
I got it!
First, replace all 4 wheels.
It's amazing! Nice! Good job! Come here! It's amazing! I got it! It's disappeared!
Then, repair the dents.
Okay.
All fixed! Police car gently reminds tractor. Remember, always follow the traffic rules. Stop at red, go at green. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, see you next time.